Hi, I'm Matt with EPB, and this is EPB Home Tech Tips. Are your cat videos taking a little too long to load? You could be experiencing a Wi-Fi dead zone. Today we're going to talk about 5 tips to boost your Wi-Fi signal and let you enjoy cat videos in every room of your house. Sometimes a weak Wi-Fi signal may just mean that your router is experiencing technical difficulties. Try this. Unplug your router, let it sit for 5 seconds, and then plug it back in. It may have just needed a quick restart. Location is everything. The trick to getting the best out of your wireless router is location, location, location. The best spot for your router is somewhere near the center of your home in a wide open space away from large electronics. Set it up high and point your external antennas upward if your router has them. Check in on your router. The fact is, no matter what adjustments you make, outdated or broken hardware isn't going to give you the best coverage. Is your router in good condition? When did you purchase it? If you're using an older or well-worn router, you may want to consider an upgrade. Look for a router that is Mu-MIMO, tri-band, or dual band. There's lots of excellent options out there that can easily boost your Wi-Fi signal. And if your router has external antennas, make sure they're in good condition. You can usually find replacement antennas for your specific router online. Replacing your router's antennas is an easy fix that can make a huge difference. Try a mesh-based network. Mesh networks can be a little pricey, but they're one of the easiest, most convenient ways to boost your Wi-Fi signal in every room you place them in. Mesh Wi-Fi networks come with a router and little satellite nodes that extend your signal. Best of all, they come with a free smartphone app that makes setup super easy. Access points are another great way to boost and extend your Wi-Fi signal. Unlike a mesh network, access points upgrade your existing network rather than replacing it. This means that they can be more affordable than a mesh network. We know how important Wi-Fi is to you. After all, great internet needs great Wi-Fi. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos and subscribe below. Thanks, and see you next time.